Because Trust Wallet is a decentralized wallet, we can trade cryptos on decentralized exchanges and have those cryptos within the wallet itself. Once we have Trust Wallet set up, we can go ahead and swap tokens and use the DeFi services within PancakeSwap, Uniswap, or other blockchain platforms.
Use the buy feature in Trust Wallet itself. So you can actually just click on any cryptocurrency that you want. And then up on the top right hand corner, there is a buy option. If you just click buy, you can go through and purchase a cryptocurrency with a credit card. Trust Wallet actually uses third-party providers for this service. So you can see that a lot of the time you'll be using something called MoonPay, which is a credit card provider that lets you purchase cryptos with a credit card. So just put in the amount that you want to purchase, click on next, and then you can actually go through to the MoonPay website and put in your card details. And that will actually be deposited right into your Trust Wallet account. If you want to have a look at some prices and the chart of a cryptocurrency, you can come up to this option when you're in the cryptocurrency screen. You can get a lot more information about each cryptocurrency and what it's been doing over the last few days and weeks with the chart, and you can have a look here. Credit cards are the most expensive way to buy cryptocurrencies though, and so if you do that, you will be paying a lot more for your cryptos with a card as opposed to maybe going to a dedicated crypto exchange. There are many options out there, but if you are using Trust Wallet, then using Binance Exchange is probably suggested, as Binance and Trust Wallet are the same. And there are a lot of benefits to using Binance and Trust Wallet in terms of the support and all the interaction between the two. So before I get into how to use decentralized exchanges with Trust Wallet and tokens, I'm actually going to go over to my Binance account and show you how to send some tokens from Binance over to your Trust Wallet. If you want to know exactly how to use the Binance Exchange app and sign up for it, I have a separate video guide on that. I'll link that in the description for you. It tells you how to sign up and get started. But if you want to deposit cryptos from an exchange account into your Trust Wallet, then I'm going to show you here. You can see that I've got BNB up in my exchange account. So I'm going to click on BNB. Then I'm going to go to withdraw down here and then send it to my Trust Wallet. You're going to have to type in an address, and this is your Trust Wallet address. So what we're doing is using the blockchain to send some BNB from Binance Exchange over to our Trust Wallet. If you want to go ahead and use decentralized exchanges in Trust Wallet, then you're going to have to send over some coins to pay fees on that blockchain. If you're using Ethereum, send over some Ether, and if you're using Binance Smart Chain DAPPS, then you can send over some BNB coin. So I'm going to go over to my Trust Wallet right here, and I'm going to click on BNB. And then what we have to do is click on receive. So I'm going to click here, and you can see I have my address now. This is the BNB coin address in our Trust Wallet. So I'm going to go and copy our address right here. You can see it's copied. I'm going to go back to my Binance account, and I'm just going to paste that in. I'm going to press done on here. And what this should do is recognize what blockchain or what network I'm using. You can see it's BEP2 here. So I'm going to be sending some BNB coin on the BEP2 network over to my Trust Wallet. I don't need to type a memo, and I'm just going to type 0.1 right here. You can see that there's a small fee for the transaction, but I'm just going to click on withdraw right now. I'm going to confirm that my address doesn't need a memo, so I'm going to confirm that. Then you can see all of the options right here, and I'm just going to press confirm. And then I'll be sending some of those BNB coins. You also have to verify the withdrawal. This is something you'll do once you set up your Binance account. You can see the withdrawal request has been submitted now. Then you can go through and view your history if you wish. But we can come back into our Trust Wallet and then just wait for those BNB coin to hit our wallet. So those hit our wallet in less than a minute, and you can see we now have those BNB on account, and we can go and use them to trade on decentralized exchanges. This is going to work exactly the same no matter what blockchain you're using. So if you're using the Ethereum blockchain, then you'll just send over some Ethereum, and you can use DEXs like Uniswap to go and swap tokens. Once you have tokens in your account, you can actually trade and swap tokens directly within your Trust Wallet. You can come down to the DEX right here. So I'm just going to click on DEX, and then we're up in the swap tab right here. Now you can really easily just swap tokens. So I'm going to choose a token that I have. So you can see I've got some BNB coin right here. So I'm just going to click on that. Then it takes you through to the other tab, and you have to choose a token that you want to swap your BNB or other tokens into. On this occasion, you can see that you can actually get some Ethereum that is on the BEP2 network. So that would be Binance Chain Ethereum. Then you can come down, or you can just search for some others. So let's search for Ethereum overall. You can see there is one listing for Ethereum. Or if I choose BTC, this is actually BEP2 Bitcoin. So you can see the ticker is BTCB. So this isn't Bitcoin on the Bitcoin blockchain, but it is a wrapped version of Bitcoin that is on BEP2, which is the Binance chain. I can click on this and then you can just simply go and change. So maybe I want to have 50% of my BNB coin swapped into Bitcoin on the BEP2 network. It will give you the swap rate between the two, and then you can just press swap, and then some of your BNB coin will be swapped into this Bitcoin on BEP2 network. You can do that for a range of coins, but we can also come and exchange. It's a little bit of a more professional feature. So if we click on the exchange feature, you get a little bit more of a professional layout, but it is more or less the same thing. So up here, you can choose the currency pair that you want to swap. So if I just type maybe Ethereum right here, you can see it's there again. We have Ethereum against Binance US dollar, and then BNB coin against Ethereum. Maybe I want to swap some BNB coin for some PancakeSwap tokens. Cake, can see the trading pair here is Cake BUSD. So you'd need some Binance US dollar tokens if you wanted to exchange it using this feature. Again, if I just type BTC, we've got a couple of options here. I have BNB coin and not Binance US dollar, so I'd choose that trading pair right here. And then you can either buy or sell. You know which one you're buying or selling because it will tell you down here. So we're looking to buy BNB. I'm going to switch this to sell because I have some BNB. You can then get the price, but you can change the price if you want. You can put in some orders at different prices. If you want the trade to go through straight away, then you need to select one of these prices because these people are bidding for cryptocurrency, and so you can match with them straight away. If you want to get a slightly higher price for your sale, then you would match some of these prices, but you may have to wait for other buyers to come in and match your price. Simply go through and choose an amount that you want to spend of BNB coin or whatever currency you're using to buy the second currency. It will show you the balance that you have on account, and then the transaction, and then you could go ahead, place that buy or sell, which will come down into open orders. If someone matches your trade straight away, then you will be traded and that will not be in open orders again. If you can't find a matching trade straight away, then your open orders will be sitting here until you can find a matching trade. As you can see, the market is quite dry on this application. There isn't much going on, so you might be waiting a while if you don't match an existing trade that is there already. That is the in-app DEX though, but what's great about using Trust Wallet is that we can interact with external decentralized apps or DAPPS. One of the most popular in this regard is PancakeSwap. It's absolutely huge on Binance Smart Chain. It is without a doubt the biggest decentralized exchange. You can swap tokens and do a lot more. So I'll show you exactly how to use that and how to connect with DAPPS using Trust Wallet. First thing I want to do is actually exchange my BNB coin into Smart Chain coins. This is how they are called on Trust Wallet. If you're using Binance, you'll actually just see BNB, but it's really important that we know that this coin in Trust Wallet called BNB is a BEP2 token. When you want to interact with decentralized exchanges and other DAPPS, you're going to need BEP20 tokens. They are two different blockchains from Binance. BNB is BEP2, and then the Smart Chain token here, this is BEP20. Smart Chain is also just called BNB in other DAPPS, and so it can be a little bit confusing, but hopefully I'll explain it for you here. Right now we have the BEP2 BNB coins, and I'm going to switch that now into Smart Chain as it's called in Trust Wallet. Come to more, and then come right down here to swap to Smart Chain. At least this bit is easy, so we're just going to click swap to Smart Chain on that one. I'm then going to put the max amount in that I can. So I'm just going to go and click on there, press 100. You can see they are swapped in a 1-to-1 ratio. So they do have exactly the same value. It's just that the actual token itself is slightly different, going from BEP2 here to BEP20 here, but BEP20 is the one that we need. So I'm just going to go and swap those really quickly, press swap. It is going to charge me, unfortunately, a little bit for this. I'm going to press send on here and swap those tokens. So you can see it's processing. It may take a few minutes. Whilst we're waiting for that, I just want to go back into my Binance and show you how to send BNB coin directly from Binance into Smart Chain. For the purposes of this tutorial, I did want to show you how to send BNB over and also swap BNB BEP2 tokens into BNB BEP20 tokens here. What you can also do if you have the Binance app is go to Smart Chain right here, press receive and get your address, copy this, and then go back into your Binance wallet. And then find the exact same BNB tokens, press withdraw, and then go to paste right here, press done on that, and you'll see that the network is BEP20. What this will do is convert your BNB tokens directly into BEP20 tokens to send into your Trust Wallet. It may also save you some fees. The reason I've shown you the two different ways of doing this, both sending BEP20 and BEP2 into your Trust wallet. It's just to show you exactly how it works and how it's done and why you may actually want to do it these two ways. Also, I am aware that if you're using Binance.us, so if you're in America, you may not have the option to send BEP20 tokens directly from your Binance account. So now you know the difference between BEP2 and BEP20 and how to get around having BNB and Smart Chain within your Trust wallet. Now let's get on to interacting with DAPPS within Trust Wallet, and we have to come down to the browser here. Now, if you have an iPhone specifically, or maybe some Android phones, you may not see this icon right here, this DAPPS browser. I'm going to show you exactly how to get this on your iPhone if this isn't showing up for you. What we're going to have to do is come over to the native browser on your phone. So if you've got an iPhone, that is Safari. If you have an Android phone, then go to Google Chrome if you don't have that. We're going to open a new page, then we're going to come up to the top. Then you have to type in this address. Type the word trust, then a colon and 2 forward slashes, then type the word browser, then type an underscore here, and then type the word enable. Then hit go. Then you'll see this option, open this page in Trust. Click open, it will go through to your Trust wallet, and then you should have the browser icon down here in the bottom now. Without the browser, it's going to be way more difficult to access DAPPS. But we have that now, so let's click on the DAPPS browser, and this takes us right through to the browser where we can go and link our Trust wallet up with some decentralized exchanges. You can see all of the new DAPPS on here and you can scroll through them. It's not just Binance Smart Chain though. We can actually see SushiSwap down here, which is Ethereum based. You can see Uniswap Exchange, which is also an Ethereum DEX. These are under popular, but you can also look at the Smart Chain DeFi platforms here. We've got Venus, very popular. But I'm going to go up to PancakeSwap. Like I said, it's the biggest DEX on the Binance Smart Chain. So we'll see DeFi right here. We're going to go to PancakeSwap. So because you're using your Trust wallet right now, it's going to know that you're coming from the Trust wallet and link it up straight away. So we're going to click on PancakeSwap right now. And up in the top right hand corner, this is the address of my Trust wallet. If this isn't right here and the word connect is here, just click on this and it's going to link you up essentially with the Trust wallet as it knows that you're coming from it. And what we can do now is exchange on PancakeSwap, and this also works for Bakery Swap or other DEXs built on Binance Smart Chain. I have some BNB coin, which is what I need to swap and pay fees. Like I said, if you want to use Ethereum DEXs, you'll need some Ethereum to go and pay for fees and swap for other coins. It actually takes us straight through to the swap page, which is great for us. So what we can do is come down and see the coin that we want to swap from. So this is the one that we're selling. So we can click right here and there are a lot of different tokens. You can search for them. So maybe if you have some cake tokens, you can see that cake is right here, or you can search for others. So I'm happy with BNB. So I'm just going to click out of there because I've already got BNB, and then you can select a currency. This is the currency that you want to buy or swap into. So I'm just going to click cake and I can click on cake right here. And then you can see I'm selling BNB and I'm going to be buying cake. This is a swap and not a trade, so that is a slight difference there. We are swapping tokens here, so I'm going to put 0.05 like this, which is half of my holding. And you can see it estimates this amount of cake that you're going to buy. Come down to the bottom, you can see the minimum received, the price impact that you're having on the pool, and the liquidity provider fee. So this is a fee that you have to pay to the people providing tokens for you to swap. Swapping is different from trading and exchanging. This is a liquidity pool and not an exchange. There is a difference. I won't go into that in this video though, but it is slightly different. You can come up here and press your settings. Slippage tolerance is set to 0.8, and this is absolutely fine. It's not a big tolerance. Because we're swapping tokens, prices may change during our swap. It does take a few seconds to swap the tokens on the blockchain, and so the actual amount that we're getting may differ very slightly from the figures that we have here. So you set that slippage tolerance as you like. I'm going to go ahead and swap these. It confirms our trade for us, and I'm just going to go and confirm the swap right here. Goes back to our wallet. You can see that. I'm just going to press send like this. That transaction is submitted, and then you can go and view that on BSC scan if you want. So let's just click on that, and it takes us through to our transaction. So this is the transaction as it will come through on the network. It's not really telling us much, but you can see that this transaction has been included into the block and it will be reflected in a while. So that's great. We can see that our transaction is going through. We can go and close this now. And we come up here and it says swap of 0.05 BNB for 1 cake has gone ahead. So let's come out right now. We can then come back to our wallet. Now you'll see that you don't have any cake right here. So what we can do is come up to the top right hand corner and then search for cake tokens. So I'm going to search for cake. And what I'm going to do is come over to the BEP20 cake tokens and press this icon right here to turn it on. I'm going to press done. And you can see those cake tokens are now on my homepage for me to have a quick look. And I have full video guides on how to use PancakeSwap that go through every single feature. So I'll leave that for those videos. If you haven't got a Binance exchange account yet to buy and trade cryptos, then I'll leave that link in the description for you. Subscribe if you want daily helpful crypto content, and I'll see you in the next one.